Hi, welcome to Jay's Fries and Cones. Today we're going to make a Puerto Rican special, Papas Locas. We have our hand-cut fries that we're tossing in seasoned salt. We cut our fries fresh every day. We're going to cover this in some cheese. And don't worry, we're going to top it with more cheese. A little bit more fries, and more cheese. Next comes our slow roasted chicken on top. Yummy chicken with brown gravy. Super savory, super garlicky. Next comes our mayo. And our mayo ketchup. Crispy crunchies, and a little bit more cheese. Come try this out.